I love website builders, probably to a level that some would say is unhealthy, but in the past decade, I've built over 500 websites across website builder platforms, in particular Squarespace and hosting a website builder. And during the process of handing over our website to many of our clients so they could pick it up and manage it, I kept getting asked very similar questions. Even with a wide range of documentation by website builders, what I found was that many of my clients came to me and they wanted a more personalized, less corporate way of understanding and learning how the software works. So I started creating tutorials on the side on our Pixel Haze YouTube channel. The quality wasn't great at the time, but they were serviceable and helped my clients to get up to speed on aspects that would have taken me a lot longer to have to deliver in person every single time. And combining this with a face-to-face orientation of Squarespace, it helped for my clients get the most out of it without having to become professional web designers to do so. And as we've slowly moved into the education and training market since 2019 under Pixel Haze Academy, it's only natural that we create a YouTube channel dedicated towards website builders. And here we are. At the tail end of 2023, I started creating my first tutorials for hosting a website builder to create a toolkit that we could share with our clients so they can, again, pick up and run with the projects. More recently, I've been adding additional tutorials, in particular for Squarespace, covering everything from the basics in terms of all of the block tools and how to use them, through to some more advanced tutorials showing how you can create custom bespoke designs using Squarespace, and most importantly, develop beautiful websites that follow principles of design that will sell for your audience. But we haven't stopped there. We are developing partnerships with third-party plugin developers for Squarespace and Hostinger, in particular Square Websites, who created the Swiss Army knife for Squarespace in the Chrome extension tool. The beauty of this is we don't have to work within the confines of a corporate environment. The rules that would apply to Squarespace's own branded tutorials don't apply to us. Our tone and approach is going to be positive. We love Squarespace, we love hosting a website builder, we use them every day. Although they're not perfect, no software is, they are efficient. If I had to choose between two software platforms that I believe are the best in the business, it would be a coin toss between Squarespace and Canva. And for the tail end of 2024, I'm really excited to start jumping into Wix, again providing simple starter tutorials comparing where it fits amongst Squarespace and Hostinger. If you're thinking about starting a web design career and you don't have a huge budget, you want to over-deliver with low-cost, beautiful, simple brochureware websites, hosting a website builder is a great place to start. Think of it as your training wheels to become a professional designer. Squarespace is the pro designer's choice. The starter templates are beautiful, also versatile, and Squarespace really cranked it up several notches with the release of Fluid Engine and the ability to bring those sections from one page to another. It saves a huge amount of replication, which has in turn saved me and the Pixel Haze team a huge amount of time. And then for those wanting to take it to the next level, integrating tools like SEO Space, a dedicated third-party app to get your Squarespace website working wonders on Google. And watch this space because we've got dedicated tutorials coming in the pipeline. And Square Websites, with their Chrome extension tool, we can take entire pages or individual page sections or panels from one Squarespace site to another. And that's where we brought in our own platform, SquareForge, a rapid Squarespace template builder to allow you to create beautiful professional websites without having to take a 3-year design degree. We have almost unlimited resources for the tutorials that we can create over the coming months. So hit the subscribe button, join us, and this channel will be integrated into our free courses on Pixel Haze Academy, all available via free membership, also archived within our SKOOL communities, starting at just $15 a month. I've left a load of information in the description for you to check out, but if you hit that subscribe button, I promise you I'll be doing everything I can to give you value for money again and again. Welcome to the Website Builders channel. Stick around because we've got more in the pipeline. Cheers.